Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you habits that have changed my skincare game for good.
Open eye, feel the waves cut
There are various habits like that, but I have listed down top 10.
by the sun.
So yeah, I'm going to be talking about them, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Now the first habit is ice rollers. What you have to do is just fill water inside of them through this like little hole, and then just keep it in the freezer overnight, and there's like an ice shaped like sculpture in it, and then you just wake up, wash your face, and then you can massage it on your face. So with this, it actually helps sculpting and contouring your face naturally. And obviously ice is very like effective to cool down like your bags and various other things. Like I've talked about this so much that ice is so good for your skin, and I'm a firm believer in these. And yeah, these are like perfect. Second habit is moisturization. Now I know summers are coming up and it just feels sticky for you. Maybe you're not using the right moisturizer, but moisturizer is very important for your skin, be it summer, rainy, winter, whatever. Now for acne prone skin, I know you might think that drying out the acne would actually get rid of them, but no, they are literally gonna spread into like thousands and millions of them, and we definitely do not want them, right? Me personally, I use either Bioma or Pond Superlight Gel. Now habit number 3 is jade rollers. Using jade roller has significantly changed my face shape for good. Right now also it is round and chubby, but at least it has like a definite like shape now. Because okay, you can see like a little bit of my jaw, and like my cheeks are like sculpted to an extent, and it is really effective for like natural contour or sculpting of your face. So I use this one. This is literally pink and like rose golden colors, which is like literally my vibe that I want to use you. Habit number 4 is drinking lots and lots of water. Okay, H2O is so good for your skin and it hydrates you so much. It gives you energy, it prevents acne, it soothes your skin, it even helps you reduce like belly fat or like inflammation. Every single thing. Water is such a good like medicine for every single thing. If you have a headache, you can drink water. If you have acne, you can drink water. If your like belly fat is like really strong, you can drink water and it helps melt you. Water is literally so good for your skin, and I usually carry this big like tumbler. There's like 1 liter tumbler, and it also has like a straw. I don't have it right now. I'm just showing you guys. So I just carry this around wherever I go, wherever I sit, and I just sip on it like during the day. And I usually finish like 4 of these, like 4 liters basically. It has reduced my acne and acne scars a lot, and I am so grateful to water, honestly. Healthy habit number 5 is using sunscreen. I know a lot of you do not use sunscreen, or you are just like too lazy, or you just avoid sunscreen for some reason. Please don't. It is so harmful for your skin to not apply sunscreen because of the UV rays, and of course the global warming happening right now. It's just so crazy out there that your skin needs a certain protection from those UV rays, and sunscreen also helps you age a lot slower than you would actually do. Best for you because in your 50s or 60s you won't look like those wrinkly grandmas. You would actually look like those youthful grandmas that used to be baddies in their 20s, and people would know it. Habit number 6 is weekly scrubbing. I know people don't usually bother to like put a face scrub or face mask or anything, but face scrubbing is so important for you. It helps get rid of dead skin, it helps like rejuvenate your skin, and it honestly makes your skin look 2 to 3 times brighter than you would actually do in a week. Definitely try this once and you will notice a difference. I do this just once a week. Once a week and that's enough because you don't wanna create like tiny little scratches on your skin because of scrubbing. And also please use a mild scrub. Do not go for like a powerful one or strong one. Please just read reviews and test out like on your own skin, and then you can buy it and use it further. Healthy habit number 7 is having an AM PM routine. You guys, you need to have like a set schedule for your skin as well. I know you don't follow your literally actual schedule, but you have to follow your skin schedule, please. Like for AM, you are gonna go out and you're gonna have fun in the sun, so you're gonna have to wear sunscreen and serums and everything. Like, please, I'm not asking you to do like a 12-step routine every single day. Have like 5 products, which is face wash, moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, lip balm. That is it. That is your AM routine. And for the PM routine, you need to go a little heavier on the moisturization part because skin tends to like dehydrate a lot when you're sleeping. Use like a thick layer of moisturizer. Do not use sunscreen because you're literally going to bed and there is no sun. Definitely use a jade roller that I told you about, and wash your face, please. Wash your face. Please do not like apply products that's just gonna create like a dirty buildup which will lead to acne. Vaseline is the best lip balm ever. And Vaseline has also come up with the rosy lips one and it is super good. I use that only during my night time and it works magic and I love it so much. Now healthy habit number 8 is eating fruits daily. Fruits are so important for I used to never eat fruits. Like fruits would be like yuck. I want to have like my burger or pizza. So what you can do to ensure that you're eating fruits daily is you should just include it in your breakfast. Breakfast should be healthy as it is, and if you eat fruits in it, then it's going to be doubly healthier for your skin and your body. So usually for my breakfast, I have like banana, grapes, strawberries, apple, muskmelon, watermelon, or like what do we say, cherries. I really love like eating fruits nowadays. I've started this since like 3-4 months now, and honestly, it works amazing. And it is also helping me reduce my weight. So that is just so much better. Habit number 9 is using a face mask twice a week. Okay, you can do it when you are like washing your hair. Of course, we all wash our hair twice a week. If you don't like, if you wash your hair once a week, that is just like on you and your hair type and good for you, honestly. So yeah, when you wash your face, just apply hair oil and then a face mask and then just rest like 20-25 minutes and then you can hop in the shower. So now for face mask, I usually use my mother's face mask. This is the recipe of it, and I have spoken about this face mask on my channel thousands of time, and in like every shower routine of mine there is this face mask because it is actually really good. It has helped me reduce my acne and skin dullness so much, and it has just evened my skin out, just use it twice a week and that is it. Do not go overboard with this because it can actually make your skin super dry and dehydrated, and that's just a disaster for like every single skin problem. So please don't do that. Twice a week is more than enough. Now the last habit is removing your makeup before sleeping. Please you guys, please do not skip this step. But I know that we are all so lazy. I'm saying we because me included. Like I so do not want to hop in the bathroom and touch the cold water onto my skin. It's just it is such a nightmare for me during nighttime because I'm just so sleepy. But please do not wear makeup and fall asleep because that is literally so unhealthy for your skin. Just imagine you're there like 8 hours and the makeup is soaking into your skin and it's just ruining your skin barrier and all the dirt and everything from the day. Oh my god, it is so disgusting to even think that. I don't know how people do that. I have never ever done it in my lifetime, I swear. But I do get lazy, but I eventually get up. So yeah, please remove your makeup before sleeping. Okay, you guys, these are all the habits that I had for you, and I hope this video helps you. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment on what you wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care. Bye.